Jain friends. So friends, let's see the question number 9 of the same exercise of chapter area of parallelogram and triangles. In this it is given that side AB of parallelogram ABCD, means this ABCD is a parallelogram, is produced to any point P, means this side AB is produced up to the point P. This ABCD is a parallelogram and the side of this parallelogram AB is produced up to the point P. Now a line through point A means this is, and parallel to CP को ज्वाइन कर दिया गया, इसके पैरेलल एक लाइन AQ ड्रॉ किया गया. Parallel to CP meet CB at point Q and then parallelogram PBQR is produced. PBQR is completed. Then this parallelogram PBQR is completed. Then we need to show that area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to area of parallelogram PBQR. एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम PBQR, ये हमें प्रूव करना है. ठीक है ना फ्रेंड्स. सो लेट अस सी द थ्योरम्स विच इज मैचिंग इन दिस. वो थ्योरम्स पहले मैच करेंगे एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू द थ्योरम वी नीड टू प्रूव दिस एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD is equals to area of second parallelogram PBQR. है ना friends? Okay. So let's start with the thing which is we are doing always. Given that what is given? ABCD is a parallelogram and PBQR is another parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Through this you have constructed another parallelogram PBQR. PBQR is another parallelogram. QR is another parallelogram. Afterwards, this line CP is parallel to AQ and CP is parallel to AQ. This you have constructed. This is also given. Afterwards, you are going to prove that area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to the area of parallelogram PBQR. This area we are going to prove it. Understood? So let us start the proof of this question. For the proof, we need to start इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द थिंग विच इज गिवन दिस इज, लेट अस डिस्कस दिस पार्ट. व्हाट इज गिवन? CP is equals to AQ, means this CP line is parallel to AQ. CP is parallel to AQ. This is given. तो अभी इन दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में let us see what we are getting. We are getting two triangles as we have drawn the diagonal of this parallelogram AC, इसको ज्वाइन किया, और सेकेंड डायगोनल ऑफ दिस पैरेललोग्राम PBQR, इसका भी डायगोनल प्रूफ कर ड्रॉ कर दिया. ओके, सो इन द प्रूफ यू जस्ट राइट इट. लेट अस ज्वाइन AC and QP are PQ, the diagonals of both the parallelograms. of both parallelograms, राइट फ्रेंड्स? ओके, अब आपने ये डायगोनल ड्रॉ किया, सो दिस डायगोनल डिवाइड्स दिस पैरेललोग्राम इन टू इक्वल एरियाज ऑफ ट्रायंगल. Similarly, this PQ is a diagonal you have drawn. It means PBQR is also divided into two equal triangle of equal area. Okay, so let us leave that. First of all we have to move in this line between this CP is parallel to AQ. So since CP is parallel to AQ, since CP is parallel to AQ, this is given in the question. CP is parallel to AQ, and between these parallel lines, two triangles you are getting having common base. So triangle CAQ and triangle PAQ have common base, which one? AQ, and between parallels CP is parallel to AQ. ठीक, मीन्स ये दोनों ट्रायंगल CAQ और PAQ, ये दोनों ट्रायंगल जिसका बेस कॉमन है और इन दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस के बीच में लाई करते हैं. इट मीन्स देयर एरियाज आर इक्वल. देयरफॉर एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CAQ is equals to area of triangle PAQ by theorem 9.2. Theorem 9.2 you have read. What? Two triangles have common base lying between same parallels, so their areas are equal, right friends? Okay, now see, this is equation 1. अभी इस पे जरा देखो, what we are getting in this CAQ and in this PAQ, area of this triangle is common, means area of triangle ABQ. So what we have to do, we have to subtract this area of this triangle ABQ from both sides of this equation. So subtract area of triangle ABQ to both side of equation 1. Both side of equation 1 we get. What we will get? Means area of triangle CAQ minus area of triangle ABQ equals to area of triangle PAQ minus area of triangle ABQ. once again ABQ. so हमने क्या किया, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABQ दोनों साइड, बोथ साइड हमने माइनस कर दिया. नाउ अभी माइनस करने के बाद क्या हमको मिलता है ये जरा देखते हैं. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CAQ माइनस एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABQ, सो हमको इस ट्रायंगल का एरिया मिलेगा. एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल CAB we will get it. What we will get? Area of triangle CAB, right? Means subtraction of these two areas, we will get area of triangle CAB is equals to, अभी चलो इसमें आते, PAQ, this is the triangle, इसमें से ABQ निकाल दिया, माइनस कर दिया, so you will get the area of this triangle PBQ. Is it? You will get the area of triangle PBQ, right? So area of triangle PBQ. Now friends, let us think about your result. अभी अपने रिजल्ट की तरफ हम धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहे हैं. हमें तो प्रूव करना है कि एरिया ऑफ दिस पैरेललोग्राम एबीसीडी इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ दिस पैरेललोग्राम पीबीक्यूआर, बट अभी हमको क्या मिला, अभी उसका हाफ ऑफ ट्रायंगल मिल गया, मीन्स हाफ ऑफ एरिया ऑफ दीज टू पैरेललोग्राम्स वी गॉट इट. दिस इक्वेशन कैन बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 2 बोथ साइड, सो मल्टीप्लाई दिस इक्वेशन बाई 2 to both side, multiply above equation by 2, 2 से multiply कर देते, so you will get twice of area of CAB is equals to twice of area of PBQ, is it? Now let us think the friends, twice of area of this triangle can be written as area of ABCD means parallelogram. क्यों? क्योंकि इस पैरेललोग्राम का ये डायगोनल AC इसको 2 इक्वल पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया था. बात समझ में आ रही है? So therefore this is twice of area of CAB can be written as area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equals to twice of area of PBQ can be written as area of parallelogram PBQR. Area of parallelogram PBQR. Friends, आपका result is in front of you. This is proved. कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप क्वेश्चन कर सकते हो. ये जानते हो कि डायगोनल किसी भी पैरेललोग्राम को 2 इक्वल ट्रायंगल में डिवाइड करता है. सो इफ वी आर गेटिंग द एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ दिस ट्रायंगल, सो इसका ट्वाइस किया मींस मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 टू बोथ साइड ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन, वी विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम ABCD इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम PBQR. Any confusion? So you can raise your question. See the question number 10. Question 10 is given. Diagonal AC and BD of trapezium ABCD means ABCD is a trapezium. In this, its diagonals are drawn. This AC and BD, they intersect each other at point O. At which point? At point O. We are going to prove that area of triangle AOD, area of triangle AOD means this area we are going to prove. Area of triangle AOD, इस triangle का area AOD is this part, is equals to area of triangle BOC means this triangle is BOC. इसका एरिया हमें इक्वल प्रूव करना है ना फ्रेंड्स? इज इट विजिबल क्लियरली? गुड. Right? So in this, let us start the proving this question. First of all, we need to write down the same thing given. In given, we have to write down ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. Right? These two lines are parallel. After that, we are going to prove that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. This we are going to prove, and see the proof of this question. Friends, be careful and see it clearly. Right? Okay friends, so देखते हैं. As AB is parallel to DC, so based on this, the triangles, since triangles, which one? DAB, ये triangle देखते हैं. DAB, triangle DAB and triangle CAB. these two triangles we have to say CAB have common base, AB, and between two parallels, AB is parallel to DC, right? If these two triangles have common base AB and lying between same parallel lines, therefore area of triangle DAB is equals to area of triangle CAB. Equation 1, and this is from the theorem 9.2 as you have read it. Means what you have read? Two triangles having common base between same parallels are equal in area. Reason, if you want, you can write down. Since you know that what? Two triangles having common base between same parallels are equal in area, this you know. This means this theorem is 9.2 it is, okay. So from equation 1 we have to subtract the area of this triangle AOB. In दोनों area of triangle AOB को both side we are going to subtract. So subtract area of triangle AOB from both side of equation 1. Both side of equation 1 will get what we get means area of triangle DAB minus area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle DAB minus area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle CAB minus area of triangle AOB. Means AOB दोनों साइड हमने क्या किया? सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, माइनस कर दिया. So now what you will get? Area of triangle DAB means this triangle minus area of triangle AOB, you will get area of triangle AOD. So this subtraction gives you area of triangle AOD, which is equals to the subtraction of this area of triangle CAB minus area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle BOC, which we need to prove. BOC, right friends? यही हमको प्रूव करना था. Easily we proved it. कोई confusion हो तो उसका डिस्कस करना, right? So once again discuss. हमने क्या लिया? हमने लिया triangle DAB and CAB. Since these two triangles having common base AB and lying between same parallel lines, so means their areas are equal. As you know that two triangles having common base between same parallels are equal in area by the theorem 9.2. Okay. So if their areas are equal, now this area of this triangle AOB is common in both the triangle. We have to subtract it from both the side. Area of triangle DAB minus area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle CAB minus area of triangle AOB, which gives you your result that area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. Okay.